If I click on the edit instruction, it will give you a default format. I will be creating a more like a social media agent that on my calendar. And there you go. So it did around 77 web searches before implementing outline for all the blogs. For example, outline for us. Let's check that out. The introduction, key takeaways. Notion launched Notion Agent in their new update, and in my opinion, it's absolutely amazing because it can do anything that you can do on Notion. Since it launched, I've been playing around with it and created a bunch of Notion agents. You can check that out on promptslove.com. First, let me give you an overview where you will find your Notion agent. And on the right side, you have a little AI chat option which you can open. You have a new sidebar option on the right side if you're working on the wide screen. And here you have this. If you mouse over to the icon here, you have a new option called Personalize, where you can personalize your agent with your own context. So I've already created a bunch of agent, and you can see content researcher, content writer, course helper, data analyst, and I will be creating a more like a social media agents. For that, you need to check out promptslove.com. But let me give you an overview how it works. So what it will do, it can do, for example, editing, creating, giving a permission, anything you want inside your Notion app. You can add the context file here. Here I will select multiple context file. There you go. I think it's up to 12 or 13. You can add using the add option. You can start adding all the pages as a context to the AI agent. Here I have given the AI agent access to my 20,000 plus prompt book. Create next 7-day prompt calendar. So in the all sources, I've selected the web search. You can also select your apps and integration. I don't want to do that. So I think the web search is great. So you have two models available here. For the Claude Sonnet 4.5. I go with the auto. It can select any of it. So I don't think we need any files to attach to. So let's see what it can do here. It will start searching for the latest events and start reading my 20,000 prompt book, and it will create a prompt calendar. Let's wait for the output. And now look at the number of web search it did. It did around 77 web searches before implementing anything here. So there you go. It will start creating this prompt calendar, which I requested. So this is the tracker as well. This is the date which is on due, and this is the tags. This is the goal. So this is actually very basic way to do it. The main feature of this is personalized. Here you can give a personality to your Notion agent. For example, here I want to create a content researcher agent for my blog. You can select the emoji of Notion and all the props. The main thing is instructions. If I click on the edit instruction, it will give you a default format for which you can edit and create your own. So first will be the introduction. There is the agent identity, how you want your agent to behave. So you can tweak that. And there's a chat interaction, how you want agent to output data, like in your tone or in professional, casual, any default tone you want. So there's the memories. So you can add how it can memorize your data. You can add all the memories here. So this way, edit and create any form of page agent. So here the 4 I have created, which is the content researcher, writer, helper, and data analyst. So I've done creating the first one, which is the content researcher. This is mind-blowing, to be honest, and the output is crazy good. For example, here is the agent identity. So this will be your website, content researcher, and then this website deals in this. You have to edit and add your own, and there's a therefore you help in researching the topic as per the need. So there are do's and don'ts. So there are something which I've added to refine its result. For example, ask first. So if user give it a high or something like that, it will ask how you want it to be, like in the how to style, listicle style, comparison blog. So you can go ahead and ask away based on your preferences. So there is a side categories. This is to let the agent know in which type of content you deal in detail. So I've already added the bunch of it. So this is a chat interaction. So I want it to be a professional. You can change however you want. Go ahead and edit that by yourself. So there's a writing tone. You can use our AI tone analyzer to mimic your writing style. You can copy and paste your written blogs here. Here's my writing tone. So I've suggested a writing tone here. Words to avoid and replacement. I have collected some AI robotic words which they use. I just don't want my agent to use that. So I've also added some replacements. So there it goes. So there's the follow-up questions, so always ask for the follow-up questions, and there's the memories as well. This way you can structure your agent identity and personality. After you are done editing all of this, go to here, there is edit instruction. You don't need to edit anything here, just select these three dots, click on use existing pages. This is the page which we are working on. I will set that as AI instructions, and on the lights you can see AI instruction is enabled here. I will click done here. Now I need to go to my calendar, for example my specific calendar, which is CopyRocket's content calendar. So what I want it to be, fill up my tomorrow's content calendar. Nothing else we need to be done, just type that here. So first it will ask you about the format you want, for example format to include for tomorrow, like live stream, long form video. This you can answer that here. How, for example, I want to be how to style for my blog schedule for tomorrow, and there you go. So as you can see, today's date is 26th. Prove it, it will say, I will say approve all. So what it will do is it will just start implementing that on my calendar, and there you go. So it has added all here, all the pages with this. As you can see, all the topic ideas are here. Next, you can ask to write outline for all the blogs. For example, write blog outline for all the topics in the following format. So just type that. So what it will do is it will start creating blog outline for your topics. It has started writing the outline for us. Let's check that out. The introduction, key takeaways, main section, FAQ section, and the conclusion as well. So this is the way you can use Notion agents for your own marketing campaign. It also added the citations which you can check out. So all the outline is done. Yeah, there you go. So that's it for now, and next you can ask it to start writing your content with the help of content writer agent, which is I'm building out this here. So it will also take some time. I will be building all these three as well. You can check that out on promptslove.com, because the next 7 days I will be spending time on creating one for you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe, because it will boost our morale to post more and more videos like this. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.